Changing a tight seat. Undo the snaps and Velcro from the bottom of the outside back. Remove the back by pulling each tab on the back clip to release it from the back post on the mechanism. Flip the unit over. Remove the screw from the handle and remove handle. Remove all 4 mechanism screws that secure the mechanism to the base. Remove the mechanism. Remove the staples from the back and front that secure the seat to the frame. Be sure to remove any loose or jagged staples. This may require the use of pliers. Remove the seat from the unit. Install the new seat core in the unit. Align the material with the edge of the frame and staple it down. On the front, staple the first layer to the frame by aligning it with the edge of the frame rail. Pull the second layer of fabric, aligning it with the edge of the frame, and staple down. Pull the side edge of the fabric over and staple it down. Then fold the front over on the top and staple in place. Reinstall the mechanism. Secure the mechanism to the frame with the 4 screws. Reinstall the handle and screw. Return chair to upright position. Reinstall back. Connect the snaps and Velcro to the bottom of the outside back. Your repair is now complete.